Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So as you can see, we have two off-road vehicles here, and you might think that there is something coming for off-roading. Yes it is, but not the car like these. A totally different off-road car. It's Uncle Really Porsche 911 Dakar. So this is the latest release from Mini GT I got my hands on. There is previous version also, but I had it, then I gave it to a friend because I had pre-ordered this beauty, and now when it came out I thought I should do the unboxing. And here's your Porsche, the Porsche Dakar. Look at this beautiful car. I really like the mismatching wheels, the red and the yellow. We have number 19 on the side, the Porsche. It says Safi. I do not know what that means, but looks cool. Here's your rear. We have the number plate, license number on it. The back looks cool, and look at this bumper. This is just amazing. These are the exhaust for this car, and this is your front. We have number plate, we have number 19 on the front, the red, and I think it's gray color. The gray look cool on this with the red version. And you can see if I bring this closer, there's a world map on it. What a cool detailing to have. And we have all the luggage here. This is like the coolest Porsche I ever got. And the best thing I like in this is these colorful wheels, the rims, the way they created it. And we have missed this. Yeah, look at that. It says Dakar on the spoiler. And let's see what we have on the bottom. It's quite plain. There are just some detailing of the exhaust coming out here, and the threaded wheels, of course. Let's see if it rolls. Rolls perfect. Rolls perfect. I think these cars are like from different league, but because they are more like off-roading cars, so we can place them together, and it looks really cool. So just let me know in the comments if you like this Porsche or not. There is more coming on the way. Till then, bye bye.